This carbon steel wok was a holiday gift from my mother, thank you Mom, and it became a catalyst for us to explore traditional stir fries. So that's what we're doing tonight. We're doing a shrimp and bok choy stir fry in a garlic sauce, traditional Cantonese stir fry. Let's go right into it. As for the ingredients, you can see we have a ton of aromatics. That's basically gonna build the flavor base. We're gonna add the sauteed shrimp and bok choy and the stir fry sauce. That's really all there is to it. You can see the exact measurements in the description to this video as always. So we're gonna start by curing the shrimp. Okay, season the shrimp is very simple. We're gonna hit it with a lot of salt, a little black pepper, some paprika, a bit more salt, and about a teaspoon of vegetable oil, and stir that up, set it aside. So we're gonna make a classic stir fry sauce. Start with light soy sauce. Next, we're gonna whisk in 1 3/4 teaspoon of cornstarch. That's gonna thicken it up so it really coats the bok choy and shrimp. You wanna make sure you mix through all the little bumps, and definitely do this before you add the oyster sauce. All right, oyster sauce in. Okay, we'll give it about 2 teaspoons of dark soy sauce. You can see what that does to the color. It gives us this great, deep, rich look and a bit more sweetness. Next is some hoisin sauce. That'll give it some more sweetness. A little bit of sugar and a little bit of water, about 1/4 cup to loosen that up. Yeah, that tastes right. So you can see a little smoke coming off the wok. That means it's nice and hot. Give it maybe 2 tablespoons of oil. This shrimp is gonna cook for about 90 seconds. Make sure you get them all flipped. All right, take those guys out. We're gonna use this oil to fry up the rest of our aromatics and vegetables. Okay, let's drop in our veggies. We turn this down to a medium heat. We don't want to burn the garlic. So there's 2 reasons we cook that shrimp first. Number 1 is we don't want to crowd the wok. Otherwise the shrimp winds up steaming. And number 2 is the different temperature required to cook the shrimp much higher so it doesn't dry out, which would burn the garlic if we put them in together. Looks awesome. Okay, here we are after about 4 minutes. And now it's time to add the leaves of the bok choy and the shrimp and the stir fry sauce. Here goes the shrimp. That's all there is to it. Ready to serve. Okay, we're gonna put this onto a nice serving dish. Shrimp and bok choy stir fry in a classic Cantonese garlic sauce. Thank you very much for watching. Remember, all of the exact measurements and ingredients are in the description to this video. Good luck in the kitchen. Bon appetit. Oh yeah. Come and get it. Shrimp and bok choy.